Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. It's now time for the Midday Sports Report.
West Indies assistant coach Damien Wright said the team came out with the right attitude as the Caribbean women had a 106-run win against Bangladesh women at Warner Park in St. Kitts to take an unbeatable 2-0 lead in their T20 series. Batting first, the West Indies women posted 201 for 6 of their allotted 20 overs. Opener Kiana Joseph top scored with 63, while Deandra Dottin made 49. Captain Hayley Matthews contributed 27, while Shabika Ghaznavi was left unbeaten on 24. In reply, the Bangladesh women were restricted to just 95 for 9. Charmaine Akhtar top scored with 22. Hayley Matthews took 2 for 6, Sherry-Ann Fraser 2 for 15, and Afi Fletcher 2 for 21.
We're really happy as a coaching staff. We're thrilled that everybody contributed tonight, and I thought up front with the new ball, Sherry-Ann Fraser was terrific as well. So it was a good all-round performance, as we've already said. So.
The third and final T20 bowls off tomorrow at 5 p.m. Jamaica time at the same venue. Preparations are in high gear as the world number 46 ranked New Zealand and world number 70 ranked Jamaica get ready for their Group 2 Davis Cup clash at the Eric Bell Tennis Center starting on Saturday. Blaise Bittnell, who's the number 1 ranked Jamaican tennis player, says he has recovered from his hip injury and he's fit and ready to go.
Yeah, it's been good. I had hip surgery like 6 months ago, and I've just been preparing a lot with my team and everybody here and the physio and stuff. So yeah, feeling ready and excited to go.
And playing the higher-ranked New Zealand team will not be easy, according to Bittnell.
Yeah, no, they're a tough team. I know the players well, but I'm confident in us and our abilities. And we're all excited as a team together. So I'm confident that this one we can get over the line. Hoping everybody can come out and support. It's going to be some good tennis. So.
New Zealand's captain Artem Sitak is not taking the Jamaican team lightly.
Well, I think they're a very good team. Blaise obviously winning a challenger in singles. He's a great player, and he's going to be very tough to beat for us. But the Davis Cup, as we all know, like anything can happen, and we're ready for every match. Every match is going to be super tough, especially in these conditions. Home court advantage, it's always for the home team, but no, we're ready.
The Davis Cup tie will be a 2-day matchup on Saturday and Sunday, with both days serving off at 11 a.m. The winner of the playoff will advance further in Group 2 of the Davis Cup, while the losing team will be relegated to Group 3. And finally, Harold Thomas secured his first win since returning to Dumba Holding as they beat Chapelton Maroons 3-1 at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex last night. Goals from Dwight Merrick, Nicoy Christian and DeAndre Thomas had Dumba Holding 3-0 up after 83 minutes. But Dumba Holding were unable to keep a clean sheet as Marlon Allen scored at Chapelton Maroons' consolation 2 minutes from time. With the win, Dumba Holding are out of the relegation zone on 19 points, while Chapelton Maroons are a point and a place above in 10th.
That is, in fact, was our intention to get some experience there. A mix of experience with some youth, and we're able to try and organize ourselves better, and we got the results we wanted.
At the same venue, 8th place Racing United clipped struggling Harbourview 1-0, while at the Montego Bay Sports Complex, Mobay United remains within touching distance of leaders Mount Pleasant after their 3-1 victory over Waterhouse. Meanwhile, 4 matches are slated for today, where leaders Mount Pleasant will be hosting Vere United at Draxall. Malines United will face off against Portmore United at the Drewsland Mini Stadium, while in a doubleheader at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex, defending champions Cavalier will play Tivoli Gardens in the Curtain Raiser, and in the late encounter, Arnett Gardens will host Humble Lion. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
And that's your Midday News. I'm Sandy Williams. Join us again at 7 p.m. for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.